everyone is having a really hard time right now getting offers accepted. So if you have not had your offer accepted on your first or your second offer, please give me a call or shoot me an email so we can sit down, we can have a consultation and go through some of the things that we're doing where we're strategically doing things to get offers accepted. And we're having a lot of our clients have a lot of success with that. The market is very difficult, but it's not impossible. And sometimes all that it takes is a little bit of strategy where I work with your realtor on positioning your offer and making certain phone calls and having certain conversations with people involved in the transaction to help give your offer a leg up. One of the things that I am doing that most lenders do not do is calling a realtor that is selling the home. So not your realtor that's helping you buy a home, but the realtor that is selling the home. Most lenders are kind of behind the scenes and they're not talked to by the selling side of the transaction. And so for a lender to call and introduce themselves and tell them all the great and wonderful things about your pre-approval, about the processes internally, about how our underwriting is here in office, our fast turn times, things that we've already done on your file to document and verify everything, all your verifications are complete, things like that they want to hear and they need to hear to be able to strongly present your offer to their client that is selling their home. So that's important for me as the lender to be able to do to set your offer apart from all the other offers, because the other lenders aren't doing that when you've got 10, 20, 30, had 100 the other day offers on a particular home. That phone call is something that will differentiate your offer among all the others. So that's just one thing among many, many others. So if you have any questions, please let me know so that we can fight for you to win an offer and get you into your home. Talk to you soon.